Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to get Telegram group link, and now let's dive right in. Now to get Telegram group link, guys, first open up your Telegram app, and before we proceed, guys, you need to make sure that you are administrator level of that group on which you want to get the Telegram group link. And with that being said, guys, open the group of which you want to get the Telegram link. And after opening your Telegram group, guys, at the top of the screen you can see there's a demo group or the name of that group which I had created, or in your case it's something else. Tap on the name of that group and you will be on this panel. And over here at the top right corner of the screen you can see there's a three-dotted icon and a pen icon at the top right corner of the screen. We'll be required to tap on the pen icon, and after tapping on the pen icon we'll be over here on this interface. And if you look down over here just below the permissions, there is the invite links option available for us just above the administrators. Tap on invite links and there will be an invite link available for us over here. Now, if you want to create a new link, tap on the create new link and you will be able to customize your link from over here and go to it, proceed through it if you want to create a new link. Now, in order to get just that link, you can see, guys, the link has been already created for us by the Telegram. Now you can just copy it or you can share it. If you tap on sharing, guys, you can share that link to many platforms on your phone. I'll be just copying it, guys, and after copying it you can send it to anyone on your Telegram or your WhatsApp or your Facebook Messenger. So I'll be just pasting it on my friend's chat box. After opening the chat box, paste it, guys, and you can see, guys, the link of that Telegram group has been sent. And if you tap on it, this our demo group which we had got the link from will be opened. Similarly, guys, this is how you will be able to get your Telegram group link. And guys, this is how to get the Telegram group link. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.